What's going on, bro?
What's up, buddy?
What you got running in here?
It's 13K, 13.5K power up, two FS speakers in the back. It's a lot.
Yeah, there's a lot going on right here, bro.
It's a lot, but it ain't a lot.
There's a lot going on right here.
Yeah, it's a lot, but it ain't a lot.
It's the first charge I done seen walled off.
Oh yeah. Hey, look, say make sure they know it's a Challenger.
A Challenger. Yeah, first challenge I done seen walled off. They're in a two-door.
What's up to you? Think about a game, 50 that's what it do. Came through the back.
This is the first one.
Hey, you caught my first demo.
For real?
Yeah.
Hey, bro, this is the first one I've done seen ever.
Hey, look.
I gotta make that known on the video.
Right. Thanks, bro.
Yeah, man. What can they find you at on social media?
Right now, social media, I'm the world is _man on Instagram, Ace Boogie on Facebook.
Okay, I'm gonna tag you, bro.
Yeah,
I appreciate it, man.
Be smooth.